of the Google Drive understanding. Now in this, as I had a discussion with you about the add-on feature, when I talk about the add-on, though there is some problem at my end where I can't show you the word cloud generator, where in the case of the word cloud generator I found the two options, that is classic and modern, and if I click to the classic or to the modern, then I will find a proper cloud that I will try to show in the next session after making some modifications. In the add-ons, I go and get the click to the another option, that is your maths type. It is specifically for the maths teacher as well as for the chemistry teacher. Once I go there, this math types, it is already installed by them. You people can also install it. Once you install it and get the OK in your Gmail, through your Gmail, then how to use it? Insert or edit the maths equation. See, it's working. Now when it is working, it is going to show you a box. Yeah, it's working. So it is going to show you a chat box, a box. This is of the maths type. Let me clarify you, this is a 30 days trial, and after that we need to buy, but you can resubscribe it. So for example, if I am going to write this equation of under root 3 plus for example, I have written this equation and then I have to do insert. So once you do the insert, what you will find that same equation what you have written on your GDoc. So similarly and vice versa, you can utilize these equations as per your subject topic. Now if I go for the chemistry type, though I am not the student of chemistry type, but let's decide. So here H2O, it is there, right? So we can easily try. Nitrogen is there. Though I am not familiar with the formulas, but still, for example, summation, though we are familiar with the summation formulas, so we can right. For example, I have written these. Okay. See, insert. So whatever is your formula, you can put it and you can find the formulas. Yes, this is okay. So in this way you can use this option. This is also a wonderful option, though on the another side this is manage the add-ons, wherein on clicking of the manage add-ons, in this manage add-ons you will find these. Fine. After this, let's find out if any other add-on we can utilize. Let's utilize this one. Look at chart. Maybe in some subject it is beneficial, I think. So again, click to your Gmail ID, allow it, give the permission so that it can run. Yeah, next, done. Okay, so let's find, see, insert diagram. Here, once I click to the insert diagram, I found this. I don't have any diagram right now. Update the inserted diagrams. Okay, so if your subject is like that, you can do it like chemistry or physics. So we can utilize this diagram facility. So I tried at my level very best. Yes, 2-3 points are still left. This is for the spelling error and for the grammatical error, right? And the last point, which was very important, that is compare the documents. So compare the documents. Once you click to it, once it is my drive, attribute difference to faculty learning, and include the documents also. So okay, differences to this, learn more. So we are going to just wait, let us find out. Compare. So I have selected the two documents. One document comparison is ready. So what is that comparison? I have selected the documents from my drive. The two documents, one is of the ICT and another is of the document which I have selected, that is my own research paper. See, it indicates, it compares, and whatever is not related or whatever is not related to that, see, it simply indicates a comparison of ICT intervention education system and the untitled document. And see, I clicked at that moment that comments, give me the comments, what I have to do and what I have not to do. See, it has written replace these with this. So to make my document correct, delete the header to be deleted, delete the footer, okay, because it's on from comparison, again from comparison, because my paper is purely related to the work stress, so a lot of differences there, right? And because here it is Mika, Urfi, Nikanshi, and here I had written Shala. Okay, so in this way you can do your comparisons and can do the wonderful work, and you will definitely get a good piece of paper, a good piece of work for your future. So these lines need to be deleted as per the instructions, so replace is required. So as per the point of your this, see, these, what is this? It simply indicates this is the special facility which is available, which indicates here the spell error and the grammatical error is there. So flourishing to be converted into flourishes, provides to be converted, because though are highlighted blue, so highlighted blue, and it indicates becomes, this indicates this is a feedback, what it indicates, more options are there, okay, so becomes. Now what? Sometimes to be clicked. This one, at the office, this one, okay. So by default you would be happy to avail this facility. See, long द नहीं आएगा. So in this way you will automatically be able, this is justify and all that, these are very common, which you know. This is add comment, which I had already discussed with you. This is insert a link, you can insert any link of the web whenever it is required. This is highlight the color, if you are looking for highlighting of color, so you can highlight the color. Okay, so this is line spacing, which we had already done here, and this is line spacing again, number list, bullets if you want to, I had already discussed with all of you, and clear formatting. Now this is most important, which is editing. Edit the document directly if you anyone likes to, or anyone likes to if you want to share with whomsoever you are going to share the document, you want only that person to view the document and to get the printout, or to edit, and that becomes the suggestions, or edit the document directly only, not to give suggestions, just do it directly. And after that, after with the help of the comparison, you can easily identify it. So what you are looking for, I think, edit directly, and it should not be wait, not private to me. See, once you this change to anyone with the link, I am going to change it so that anyone can do it, right? So anyone cannot be the viewer, but anyone can be the editor, not commenter, but can be the editor, and close. Once you do the editor, see here the sign is changed, and it simply indicates anyone with the link, anyone who has a link can access, and no sign in is required. So wherever you can send this sheet. So I hope this is covered from, and you are able to understand all these points. Thanks a lot for your lot of patience, and if you like the presentation, please subscribe. That motivates me to make more and more presentations and help my group of academicians. Thank you.